Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your halogen bulbs in your Ford Expedition to an LED style bulb. I had a company send us in some LED bulbs to try out. So what I'll do is I'll put the URL in the video and also in the description of the video, and you can shoot on over to their page, see what they have, try them out for yourself. So remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. And if you like this channel, subscribe to the channel as well. We have a lot of great stuff coming out. So let's get rolling. So what you're going to need to remove the headlight is a 10mm socket and ratchet. There are two bolts at the top right here. There's one right here, and there's one on the other side. So let's remove these, and we should be able to take the headlight out. Okay, so you're going to take your 10mm socket, remove these two bolts at the top holding the headlight in. This one, and they're not very big, they're pretty small, so they don't take very long to get out at all. There's the other one. So what you're going to do is, there are a couple of tabs holding the headlight in place. So you just kind of want to pull it a little bit, and it should come out fairly easily. So there's like a little tab at the top right here, so you got to kind of mess with that a little bit. And then your headlight assembly should come free for you. Get it around the grill. It likes to hang up on the grill. There's a tab right here. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so here is the box that the product came in, the bulbs. So if we open it up, they're packed in there nicely. There's an instruction manual. There's like a little Allen wrench. These bulbs have some cooling fins on them, connectors, some like 3M tape and stuff. So let's take these out, and we're going to put them in place. Okay, so switch over to the LED bulbs. You're going to twist the headlight bulb, get it out, and you should be able to pull this tab off. There's a little tab right here. Press down and pull. And take your replacement LED bulb, and you're going to push it into place like that. Make sure it locks. And there are cooling fins on the sides of it right here. So put the bulb back into the hole. Make sure you line the tabs up and lock it into place. Then the instructions say if you have this kind of a bulb, on these particular ones, kind of bend the cooling fins around like that. So when you put your headlight back in, there's a tab here, and there are holes like inside. You can see them. So make sure you line them up. You can kind of slide headlight back into place. You can see down and behind the headlight, like down in there. So when it's in place, give it a little push. It should lock right in for you. Take your two 10mm screws. There's a tab right here. Make sure that clips in to hold the headlight secure. Take your two 10mm screws and catch the threads by hand. I say in a lot of my videos, you never use the socket to put these in until you've caught them by hand. So I catch those. Then use your 10mm socket. Crank down on these. So to put your new LED bulbs in, just twist, pull a bulb out. There's like a little tab right here. Push, pull the old bulb out. Take your new LED fog light bulb, line up the tab, push into place, give it a little tug, make sure that it's all set. So when you put the new LED fog light bulb in, line up the tabs, push it in place, and then you're gonna twist to lock it into place. So now just do the same thing on the other side, and you should be all set. So here is what the headlights look like with just the regular bulbs in them from the factory. And here are the fog lights applied. And here are the high beams on with the factory halogen lights. So now we'll compare them to the LEDs. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the regular low beams on with the LED bulbs in. These are the fog light LEDs. And then we're going to switch to the high beams. This is what the high beams look like. So you can compare these to the halogen bulbs. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have a comment, leave a comment, I'll reply right back to you. Thanks for watching.